Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to do the viral miracle knot hairstyle using feathered crochet hair. The hairstyle is very popular now all over social media, so I'm going to show you guys the easiest and safest way to do it with your natural hair. Okay, so you're going to start with your hair braided. As you can see, I have my hair in 37 braids. You can do this on any length of hair. And the hair I'm going to be using is from FT.ELFINHAIR. I'm using 2 packs of their 20-inch Burmese Curly crochet braids hair extensions. So these are the 2 packs that come in the bag. It comes with a comb, wig cap, bonnet, instruction manual on how to take care of the hair, and an information card that has all the information about FT.ELFINHAIR. So this is the hair that we are going to be using today. Like I said, this is the 20-inch Burmese Curly texture. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful texture. The hair is very soft. That's the first thing I noticed. And I really love that they package the hair in little gold rings like this. It helps to keep everything in place. So you literally open the ring and just slide the crochet hair out like that. And it's also good to store the hair on the ring. So this is what the feathered crochet hair looks like. I like that the thread in the middle isn't too long. It's about finger length. That is literally the perfect length, because I've used one from a different brand before that was too long and just looked weird. So I like that this is about finger length, and I like how the curls look on the hair. So I've done most of my hair for practice. I'm going to show you guys what to do in the front. Like I said, this is a very easy process. You don't even have to use the crochet hook. You literally just take a piece like this, wrap it around your fingers, and just loop it around your braid. Very easy, very straightforward. You do not need a crochet hook. This is actually a safer method to avoid breakage in your natural hair, and this will work as a great protective style. Very, very easy to attach. You can literally do your entire head of hair in less than an hour. Very fast. So you take the hair, loop it around your fingers, and just pull it through like that. Very straightforward. I put about 3 to 4. Actually, for most of them, I put about 4 pieces of the crochet hair on each braid. Again, just loop it around and secure it. You can put more if you want a fuller look, so it just depends on the look that you're going for. Now for the ends, I just simply braided the last piece, so the 4th piece, I braided it into the ends of my hair. So this method is a much safer method, less hair breakage, and yeah, it will really help to grow out your natural hair if you're going to use this as a protective style. There's also less friction on your strand since you're not pulling the hair through your actual braid. So I've done that braid, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish up all the other braids. Just the same method, loop the hair around your fingers and then loop it around the braid. And it stays. Once you secure it, it stays. It doesn't move. I've had this hairstyle in for about a week now, and none of the strands have fallen out. Everything is still intact in my hair. Look how fast and easy this process is. This is such a great hairstyle, great alternative to doing like boho braids. If you want to get boho braids and you don't want to sit down long hours to get your hair braided, this is a quicker and much safer alternative for your natural hair. And it's also less expensive because you can definitely do this by yourself. You don't even have to go to a professional salon or anything to get this done. You can definitely just order the hair, braid your own hair, and just attach it by yourself. Straightforward. Okay, so I am done doing the last braid, and this is what it looks like when I was done. This is also a very great vacation hairstyle as well. I absolutely love how this turned out. I wore it like this for a couple days, for the first like 4 or 5 days, and then I decided to define the curls just to see how it will look. So I'm about to show you guys what it looks like if you define the curls. So this was about, I think on day 6, I decided to define the curls. I've done the back. Now I'm going to show you guys what I do with the front. So you take some mousse, any mousse that you like, and just simply, you can brush out the curls a little bit before you define them if you want, but just basically run the mousse through the hair and look at how the curls define instantly. And there's barely any tangling too. The curls just define instantly, no shed hair. Because of how the hair is constructed with the thread in the middle, the hair does not shed. So you don't have to worry about pieces of hair coming out or anything like that when you're trying to define the curls. That means this will actually last longer than doing regular boho braids. Using the feather crochet hair will actually make your hairstyle last longer because the hair is not coming out. There is no shed hair at all. And it's easy to define and just, yeah, preserve the hairstyle. See, I've done that braid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and define all the other curls, the rest of the curls in the hair. Okay, so I'm done defining the curls and this is how the hair looks. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys from a different angle. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys some ways that I like to style the hair as well. This hairstyle is very versatile. You can style it any way like you would style regular braids or regular boho braids. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back as well. So as you can look at how beautifully the curls define. Like I said previously, this hair is from FT.ELFINHAIR. This is their 20 inches Burmese Curly Crochet Braids hair extensions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on the screen. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!